Banks are hiding a credit card trick from you. It's costing you thousands. Meet Sarah, 28, earning $45K a year. She was drowning in debt. Sarah had 5 credit cards with 20% interest. Her minimum payments were $500 a month. She felt like she was getting nowhere. 60% of Americans can't afford a $400 emergency. Sarah's problem was compound interest. It was adding up fast. She owed $10,000 on her cards. The average American has $4,700 in credit card debt. Sarah's mistake was only paying the minimum. This was costing her $5,000 a year. She was throwing money away. 1 in 3 Americans have credit card debt over $5,000. Then Sarah discovered the trick. It's called the credit card snowball method. She learned about it from a financial blogger. 80% of credit card users don't know about this method. Sarah made a list of her credit cards. She sorted them by balance and interest rate. She started paying off the smallest one first. The average credit card interest rate is 20.6% in 2024. Sarah paid $500 a month plus an extra $200. She put the extra $200 towards the smallest card. She paid it off in 3 months. Then she moved to the next card. Sarah saved $2,000 in interest payments. She paid off all her cards in 12 months. She was debt-free. The average American saves $1,300 by paying off debt. Sarah's credit score went up 100 points. She got approved for a mortgage. She bought a house. The median home price in the U.S. is $270,000. You can do what Sarah did. Start by making a list of your credit cards. Sort them by balance and interest rate. Pay off the smallest one first. Subscribe to our channel for more credit card hacks.